What's up YouTube, Flagstaff AV here in another video. Hope you guys are having a great day. And today we got a triple unboxing NG models. So yeah, super excited to unbox these, but looks like the box got destroyed in transit. Let's get this open. Got these from Panda Fox, so shout out to them. And one of the models is my NG exchange model, so super hyped for that. And I believe they sent me a spare antenna for one of my models, so hopefully it's in here. Pretty nicely packaged, as you guys can see. So here we got the Delta free model that I got from the NG exchange. We have the EVA 77-10. And then we have a coupon from Panda Fox. And we did actually get the antenna, so shout out to Panda Fox for that. Super tiny, as you guys can see. So yeah, shout out to Panda Fox for doing that for me, because I've been trying to get an antenna for my JetBlue A321 for like 2 years. And then we got that Starlux A350. And there we go, guys, just fixed the broken aircraft. It was this JetBlue A321. All I had to do was add the missing antenna right there. So yeah, big shout out to Panda Fox for shipping me that antenna. And yeah, let's get into the unboxings. We'll start off with the Starlux A350. I believe that this model was delayed a bit because of shipping delays. So as you can see, we got the first flight box art right there, to Type A to Los Angeles, April 26. Pretty cool box art. We got Airbus A350-900, the computer generated image of the model, Starlux titles, the registration, which is Bravo-58503. Then we got the NG Models logo, and we got some pretty cool box art in the background. 1/400 scale, obviously. Just your typical NG box. Almost dropped it right there. And yeah, let's get into the model. Obviously comes with a reward card. And let's take out the model. Looks perfectly fine. Super excited to have this model because this is my first Starlux model, and plus Starlux is an airline from Taiwan, so super hyped for that. And there she is. I believe this is my first A350 from NG. So yeah, I'll let you guys look at the left side of the aircraft while I put the box away, and I'll put the flight charter facts right here for you guys. Alright, so to start off the review, you guys can see the nose cone details right there at the front. And we got the cockpit windows, L1 door, registration at the front, which is the same, Bravo-58503. L1 door, if I didn't mention it already, Starlux titles look really cool. Then we got the L2 door, landing lights, and we got Rolls-Royce engines right there. As we zoom out a bit, you guys can see the red navigation light right here. Not too sure if it's that visible on camera, as always. As you move to the back, you guys can see the Wi-Fi dome, and we got Airbus A350-900 titles right there, and we got the registration again, and then we got this quite interesting Starlux tail, kind of just a simple design. So yeah, that's the left side of the aircraft, and there's the back view. You guys can really see that APU detailed right there, and everything looks perfect about this mold. The wings are really even, along with landing gear and engines. And then here's the right side of the aircraft. Landing lights again. The wheels do roll pretty well, which is nice to see. We got cargo luggage door right here, green navigation light on this side, and then we got another cargo luggage door right here in the back beneath the Airbus titles. And then here's the front view of the aircraft. You guys can see inside the engines. They look really nicely detailed. Then we got the windshield wipers on the cockpit windows. Here is the bird's eye view. And the bottom view. That's pretty cool. It has the Starlux logo on the bottom, along with the stand hole. So yeah, and the registration again on the bottom of the wing. So yeah, overall, this is a really cool aircraft. Super glad to pick this up, and really impressed with NG's A350 mold. The JC Wings one is pretty good, but I believe this one's a tiny bit better. So yeah, that is the Starlux A350. Now let's get into the EVA 787-10. Let's get this raised a bit. As you can see, it's pretty cool box art, just EVA's colors all across the box. Boeing 787-10 Dreamliner. Computer generated image of the model. EVA Air emblem in the background. EVA Air logo right here. Registration, which is Bravo-17811. NG Models logo, 1 of 400 scale. Not too sure if it is licensed, as I said before in previous videos, but can't complain from NG. Can't complain about them, sorry. Then we got the back view. And let's get this open. I was debating between the normal livery or the Star Alliance livery, but I feel like I have a lot of Star Alliance liveries in my collection, so I decided to go for this one. And this model does not have a reward card, surprisingly, so might have to contact them about that, or actually I'm tripping. It's right here. Let's take this out of the box. Looks like nothing's wrong with it. Super cool to see this EVA Air livery on the 7810, and it looks really nice. The paint looks really good, nice and shiny for some reason. And I'll let you guys look at the left side as always while I put the box away, and I'll put the flight trainer facts right here for you guys. All right, so as we can get into the model, maybe it's better if I turn off the light. You guys can see the nose cone detail right there, kind of. Not too sure if it's that visible. It's kind of. And then we got the cockpit windows, Star Alliance logo, L1 door, and the registration at the front, EVA Air titles, L2 door, Wi-Fi dome, landing lights right there, and we got the GE engines. And what I like about this livery is that it has the Dreamliner titles right here, and then we got Boeing 787-10 right there as well. And then we got a red navigation light on this side of the wing. And we got the Eva Airtail. So yeah, overall it's a really nice livery and model. NG did a great job with this. And here is the back view of the aircraft. Here is the right side. We got the cargo luggage doors, one right here in the front, and then one in the back, right before the 7, 8, 10 titles. And then we got a green navigation light on this side. And this model does roll really well as well. And it's actually pretty cool how this like white is kind of shiny. It looks really good on the aircraft. And then here's the front view. Let's focus on those cockpit windows. Then we got the bird's eye view. And let's get a quick bottom view. Registration on the bottom of the wing, stand hole, engines look great. So yeah, overall it's another great model from NG. Really glad to pick up this 7810. And now let's get into the last model, which is a Delta A321neo. That is that is actually from the NG exchange program. So get these to the side. And then here we go. We just got like my info right there. And then we also got that this cost like 80 points. And it's actually like wrapped like it's a school lunch in plastic wrap. So try to get this open. Actually pretty surprising how quick the exchange models arrived, because I believe that it was in June when the exchange program happened. So there is the box. Super glad to pick up this model because this is only like my third Delta model in my collection, so I need to probably start working on that. But other than that, we got this pretty cool box. Trying to get this in the camera. We got Airbus A321neo, computer generated image of the model, Delta logo, registration which is November 502, Delta X-ray, NG models logo, and then we got our side views. Pretty cool box with the Delta tail as the background of the box. Obviously no reward card for this one because it's a free model. And let me know down below if every retailer is doing free shipping, because I'm pretty sure that they are, or if they're just shipping the model with models that you guys have on order. So there is the model. Looks really good. I'll put the flight chart artifacts, and it's gonna follow me. And I'll put the flight chart artifacts right here for you guys. Alrighty, so we got the nose cone detailed right here. Let's turn off the light so you guys can see it. It's there. I'm not too sure if it's visible on camera. We got the cockpit windows right there. Sky Team logo at the front of the L1 door. Sky Team logo, and then we got the L1 door. Delta titles across the aircraft. No landing lights detailed tidally, but we got double overwing exit doors. Rear navigation light. I believe, I'm not too sure what the Neo engines are. Then we got this kind of big American flag, bigger than what I've seen on other aircraft. And then we got the registration again, which is November 502 Delta X-ray. Wi-Fi dome. Then we got the Delta tail. And then here we got the back view of the aircraft. So as we move to the right side of the aircraft, you guys can see the cargo luggage doors. One right there in the front, and then one again in the back. And then we got a green navigation light on this side. Here is the front view. Engines look great. Landing gear in the front might be slightly crooked. Then we got the bird's eye view. And here is a bottom view. Delta logo on the bottom along with the stand hole. And let's see that landing gear. Just the front one's a bit crooked, and I believe it says A321 Neo on the bottom, which is pretty cool. So yeah, overall these were some grade 3 models, and it's really cool that now we're able to use our points to get free models, which is really cool. This is a great aircraft. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more videos. I'll catch you guys in the next one.